What's going on, guys? It's Peaks Outdoors here, coming back at you guys with another video again. So we're back out into the turkey blind for our afternoon sit. This morning I saw one turkey, that was it. So I've seen a couple so far, just on my walk out here, because I came out here a little bit later because they always come here a little bit late. But anywho, guys, I will get some B-roll footage of whatever I got, and then I will hopefully pan off to a turkey. So I'm supposed to grab that grip that I showed y'all, and it slammed me right in the finger. And so here we are, just chilling. Got my finger all wrapped up to the other one because yeah, it hurts quite a bit. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the little video. It has been Peaks Outdoors, and we are out. Peace, y'all.